Excuse me, Alex, you are on mute.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to our webinar. I guess we can wait for just another minute for everybody else to join, and we'll get started. All right. I think we can get started now. Well, dear colleagues, welcome to our webinar. Today we're going to talk about how you can use Tableau CRM analytics to give your Salesforce users actionable business insights and boost and complement your existing Salesforce CRM platform. So first, let's have a quick look at the agenda. In the next 30 minutes, we will cover the following topics. We will introduce T1A as your trusted expert and advisor when it comes to setting up your Tableau CRM. We're going to do a quick overview of the Salesforce ecosystem. We're going to have a closer look at Tableau CRM and its analytics and AI capabilities. And we're going to present to you a real business case and a demo of Tableau CRM. And of course, we're going to have some time for questions and answers. Please feel free to type your questions in the Q&A chat menu, and we will make sure to answer your questions as we go. So let me quickly introduce myself and my colleague who will be presenting for you today. My name is Alex Peshkov, and I'm a senior Salesforce manager and a pre-sales engineer at T1A. I started my career in IT consulting in 2010, working for a large international company headquartered in the United States. I worked as a business analyst and a project manager in the areas of demand and supply chain planning, and then moved to Salesforce automation projects. I've been working on different Salesforce implementations for the last 6 years. And please allow me to introduce to you my colleague, Yekaterina. Yekaterina has analytical and design background. Over the last 5 years, Yekaterina has been helping different companies to go from raw data to insights by creating great dashboards and reporting systems. She knows how important the visual perception is, so Yekaterina creates not only new and insightful dashboards, but she also designs the company reporting system to make all dashboards visually synchronized with each other. So let me quickly present to you our company, T1A. T1A is an IT integrator with focus on big data and analytics, data science, CRM, customer intelligence, and customer experience. We are an official partner of Tableau and Salesforce. We provide professional services in Europe, Canada, and the United States. We have over 15 years of experience working with clients in finance. We mostly work with banks and insurance companies. Also, we have clients in telecommunications, retail, and manufacturing. Our T1A team has both business and cross-industry expertise, and we know what it means to build a CRM system with strong data foundation, since we have historically started as a data and analytics company. And T1A team can help you implement sales, service, or marketing cloud solutions, and of course, Tableau CRM analytics on top of these products. Now, let's have a quick look at the Salesforce ecosystem. Salesforce is known around the world as a #1 CRM system for businesses of all sizes. But the Salesforce ecosystem includes many different solutions. The most popular and widely used products are Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Marketing Cloud. The names of these products speak for themselves. In 2019, Salesforce acquired Tableau, and this way became a major player and a leader in the area of business intelligence and analytics. In 2021, Salesforce acquired Slack. This is quite recent. As you know, Slack is a very popular and powerful corporate messenger. Slack is being integrated in many Salesforce leading products and can also be bought as a standalone corporate messaging solution with powerful AI with powerful API, of course, that gives you great possibilities for integrations. Salesforce also offers dedicated clouds for various industries such as finance, logistics, healthcare, and many others. Experience Cloud provides the functionality to build portals for customers and partners. Salesforce offers great solutions for e-commerce and loyalty. For example, when you go to Adidas website where you can buy your favorite running shoes, the backside, the engine of this website runs on Salesforce e-commerce platform. And Salesforce is great for integrations. MuleSoft and Heroku are great leading platforms in the areas of system integration. And you can also find thousands of solutions, free and paid solutions on Salesforce App Exchange, which is a marketplace for third-party Salesforce-based applications. And most of these solutions could be enhanced by Salesforce Einstein that provides innovative AI-based functionality. For example, you can predict a probability of a sale at a pre-sale stage, automatically determine the most effective channel and time of communication with each customer, or get a recommendation for next best action when handling a customer case. And now let's have a quick look at the three main clouds. T1A, as a Salesforce integrator, has great experience implementing these three most popular Salesforce products. Each one of these three clouds will help you grow your business, and they will, of course, complement each other. Salesforce Sales Cloud is the ideal technology to automate and scale up your sales operations for managers and sales representatives. Sales Cloud features allow businesses to reveal the structure and progress of sales, present your sales team with detailed customer contact information, and Sales Cloud allows your businesses to get powerful feedback across various online channels from any device. And these functionalities and features are powered by Salesforce Einstein AI. Salesforce Service Cloud is a unified service solution that can be easily adapted to the needs of any business. Service Cloud allows businesses to engage with customers on their favorite channels, be it email, phone, messengers, chat, or social networks. A Service Cloud allows you to put all your digital interactions with your customers in one place. It helps you to serve your customers faster with automated workflows. It helps you to scale support with AI-powered chatbots. Chatbots is a big thing right now, and it is covered in Service Cloud. It allows you to provide customer support instantly with self-service options that you can put on your website. And of course, it helps customers by connecting them to knowledge articles, account information, and the right communication channels for your community members. All of these features help you to improve your customer experience and loyalty and positively affect your sales. And of course, the last but not least is the Marketing Cloud, which is a digital marketing platform, which includes tools for email marketing, social media marketing, mobile marketing, online advertising, and automations to run your marketing campaigns. Marketing Cloud provides a unified view of customers so that your marketeers can create personalized omni-channel customer journeys. And when we speak about Salesforce, most often, as we saw, we speak about the three clouds: Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Marketing Cloud. And these three solutions can be natively integrated, and they complement each other, allowing your business to reach your targets and KPIs. And as I said before, in 2019, Salesforce acquired Tableau, a leading business intelligence and analytics solution. And with the arrival of Tableau, a new product was introduced in Salesforce Ecosystem. This solution is called Tableau CRM Analytics, or Tableau CRM for short. and it allows you to fully utilize the potential of sales, service, and marketing clouds while enjoying the benefits of Tableau as your primary business intelligence tool. Tableau CRM gives you access to BI tools that give you analytics based on your sales, service, or marketing cloud data. Tableau CRM can work with different data sources, be it your ERP system, Amazon Web Services, Roku, and many others. And it is natively integrated with Salesforce objects and records using Chatter. And Tableau CRM allows you to reach new heights in sales, service, and marketing using dynamic dashboards and Einstein AI. In a few minutes, we will see a live demo of Tableau CRM and its functionalities. Let's just say a couple of words about Einstein AI. As I said, it is now built into Tableau CRM. The three main products that make up Einstein Discovery Prediction Builder and Discovery, Prediction Builder, and Next Best Action. So Einstein Discovery augments your data analysis with the power of machine learning, artificial intelligence, and statistical analysis. Einstein Discovery quickly analyzes your data and detects patterns and themes. It shows you the most important insights using visualizations and explanations that are easy for business users to understand. The second element is the Einstein Prediction Builder. It lets you make predictions about almost any field on any object in Salesforce with just a few clicks. Then you can use the predictions to create or modify workflows, focus on your efforts, and work smarter. So no models, no algorithms, and best of all, no code. So point, click, and predict. I spoke to my colleagues that worked with different machine learning platforms, and they all admit that and all say that Salesforce is way beyond competition when it comes to ease of use. So it's very easy to download your data, and just with a few clicks of a mouse, you can create your model, and there is really, you can do that without code, which is great. So the third element is the Einstein Next Best Action that can display the right recommendations to the right people at the right time. It allows to create and display offers and actions for users that are tailored to meet your unique criteria. Well, I hope this wasn't too much theory. Now we will see these great products and functionalities in action in a live demo. And let me pass the floor to my colleague, Ekaterina, who will present a business case and a demo. Ekaterina?
Thank you, Alex. Thanks for the introduction and details on all Salesforce products. Hi, everyone. My name is Ekaterina, and as we approach to a demo of Tableau CRM, I would like to tell you about the business case that we will use for this demo today. So, a small retail chain based in Germany has three types of store formats, such as the hypermarkets as the Globus chain, the supermarkets as Rewe, and the mini markets as Penny. So the Kreuzung chain has two targets to focus on: to increase the market penetration via CRM activity, and to improve sales efficiency via average transaction amount. In our case, this company uses the marketing cloud for the campaign management, while the sales data comes from the retail core system. And now I will switch roles from database architect from T1A to a marketing manager from Kreuzung, who wants to use all analytical capabilities to boost company's results. And let's take a look at how this marketing manager can succeed with such an ambitious aim. To do so, I open my operational dashboard that is built on the merged data from different data sources. and it's called the activity overview. With this dashboard, I can easily switch between the core KPIs I'm aiming to, such as the transaction quantity, the transaction amount, the average transaction amount, of course, and the other KPIs connected to the bonuses our consumers can have making the purchases on our retail chain. So I wouldn't go too specific with the idea of this dashboard, but basically, I am, as a user of this dashboard, should have the ability to find some problems or drawbacks of our campaigns, which we are launching to track the trends on each KPI, to see the dramatic decreases, and to find or to try to find some answers or insights connected to my data. So let's stop on that point with the average transaction amount. We can see that on those weeks, we have a dramatical drop on the average transaction amount. And as I told on the previous webinars, if you were participated, the Tableau CRM can easily help you to explore your data by yourself. And it's really intuitive and easy to do. But today we are going to step further and to ask our AI colleague, the Einstein discovery, ask for the help. Maybe there is some correlations within the data, or even reasons for this drop, or even it can be the geographical reasoning for this campaigning drop. To do so, I will use the model which we have created prior to this webinar, because of course, to build a decent model, you need to have some time to learn a model to work with the data. So we're going deeper to this this story based on our data, merged from the sales data and the marketing data. So what we can see here from the first glance. So the first would be just a quick insights from the Einstein discovery, but we will scroll down to see the top insights. So first things first, we can see the highest, the top campaign from all our campaigns that we have launched in this year. And it is the put the bonuses 5 times for the purchase over 35 euro. Interesting thing to note that the average transaction for this campaign is 53 euro. And small insight we can gather from that view is that the threshold for the campaign is the 35 euros, but the consumers are still buying more than that. So the insight here is that we don't need to put the bar of the purchase higher to make consumers buy more, because they have already buying more without any insistence on that. So I also mentioned the idea, the suggestions that this campaignings might differ from the geographical point of view. Let's check out whether it's true or not. So we're switching to the location, and quick insights that we can see here is that the top locations are Frankfurt am Main, Kiel, and Düsseldorf. And the same information we can see on the chart right-hand side. To see more detailed information on the particular location, to check whether is the top campaign on the purchase for the 35 euros is in the leaders inside this Frankfurt and Main location. So we're filtering this particular location and scroll down to the list of all campaigns which have launched in this location. And we can see that the top campaign is not the same as on the overall picture. So the top campaign here at the Frankfurt and Main is the also 5 times bonuses for the purchase, but for the preserves products. And this second one is the same amount of bonuses, but for the hygiene product. Let's check out the second location. And in second location, the top campaign is also not our first campaign for the overall picture. And here is the healthy lifestyle in Python. So that leads us to the conclusion that we need to build our marketing campaign plan not only on the overall picture on locations and macro regions, but we need to adapt the campaigning plan per each location, whether it's working or not. And with this idea, we can create a new dashboard based on the data with the predictions, and we can just refresh the model once per month to enrich with the data our modeling, with having more insights and maybe correcting them. But the dashboard I was talking about is, as I said, it is based on our predicted data, and it contains not only predicted ones, but also the actual. So here we can easily have the information on top campaigns per each location, to switch between them, and make the decision what types of campaigns to launch on the region. So to sum up what we have seen, in addition to visualization capabilities for data exploration by ourselves, the TCRM provides AI advanced features, so the analytical experience goes to the whole new level. And it's very cool feature, as I think, because working as the analysts, you're usually going to dive into the data, which the Tableau CRM still can give you such opportunity. But it's like when you're working with a colleague and you're trying to find insights together, and this AI colleague can help you with just finding some patterns, finding some correlations, which gives you additional insights to dive to some direction, to some particular direction. Thank you.
Okay, great. Ekaterina, thank you very much for this demo. I know it's difficult to cover such a large platform as Tableau CRM in just a few minutes, but I think you gave us a great idea of what it looks like and what the capabilities are. And now we will be happy to answer your questions. Let's see if we have any questions from the attendees of the webinar. Please don't be shy. Type your questions in the Q&A section, and we'll be happy to answer your questions. All right, I can see a question. I think it's from Mark. Is it easy to deploy Tableau CRM in our existing Sales Cloud or Service Cloud? That's a great question, Mark. And the answer is it is very easy. So simply enable and distribute licenses to existing CRM users in Salesforce. And then the deployment can be done with standard Salesforce CRM administration and setup tools. And of course, our analysts will be happy to assist you deploying Tableau CRM in your existing Salesforce org. I see there is another question. I don't see the name of the person who asked, but it says, what data sources can Tableau CRM work with? That's a great question. Thank you. So Tableau CRM provides a pre-built connector for data in your local Salesforce org and a range of configurable connectors for your remote data. So as I said previously, you can connect your Tableau CRM to your Salesforce, Heroku, Amazon Web Services, or Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So the data sources can be very different. And I think there was another question that was somewhat similar. Is it possible to use external data? So yes, the answer is definitely yes. It is possible to use external data. As I said, there are a lot of pre-built connectors, and our team has extensive experience connecting different data sources to a Tableau CRM. So definitely the answer is yes, it is quite possible. All right, I don't see any other questions coming. So just a final slide, a very important one.
Yeah, Alex, I think there is one more question just came up. So if you already have Tableau and Salesforce running in parallel, what extra considerations and costs are incurred when you decide to use Tableau CRM? So
I'll let you answer that one if you don't mind.
I think here by Tableau, we should understand that it's a Tableau server or Tableau cloud version. The Tableau CRM is a product in Salesforce Ecosystem, which should be licensed separately. So as a Salesforce, you can get a license per user. So it's publicly available. So you can just Google Tableau CRM pricing, and the first link I think would lead you to Salesforce pricing page. And regarding the license costs, it's a separate kind of license you need to purchase for the users in a Salesforce. Regarding the overall pricing, when you have already some products in place, I think the best option here is to communicate with me or with my colleagues from Tableau, and they will maybe provide you some kind of pricing which is will be available for you as a company which already use Tableau and Salesforce products. but the publicly available price list could be found on the web page of Salesforce.
Okay, great. Thank you, Artem. I think we have one more slide that we would like to share today. So it's a special slide with a special offer on your exclusive offer on a proof of concept. So are you interested in how Tableau CRM could work for you and how you could bring self-service culture into your organization with dynamic dashboards and powerful AI-driven insights? So these are some simple steps that you can take. So first, please register on T1A website. It's just Google T1A, and there you'll find a registration page, and you'll be able to qualify for an exclusive proof of concept. So what you need to invest is to share your sample data and have a call with a data viz analyst and plan between half a day and a day for a workshop to get insights into your visualization and predictive analytics based on your data sets. And as an incentive connecting to this webinar, T1A is offering a limited number of proof of concepts free of charge, which is normally a 10,000 euro value. So I think it's a great deal. So please don't hesitate. Please register on our website, and we'll be happy to do this proof of concept for you. And I would like to thank you very much for attending our webinar today. We look forward to your questions and comments. Please send them by email. One more time, we'd like to thank you for your attention and have a wonderful evening.